I'm Judy, the organizer and creator at Rescue My Space. Welcome back to my channel. And if you are new, welcome to my channel. So in today's video, I'll be giving you some tips on how you can keep or get your desk organized. So without further ado, let's get right into the video. So welcome to my work area. So when it comes to organizing your desk, the first tip I'm going to give you is to have the right desk. So what do I mean by right desk? Of course, all desks are great, but I think it's important that the desks that you use, especially on a daily basis, has drawers. The reason why I like drawers, especially in desks, is because it allows you to store away things that you don't necessarily need to have on top of your desk. So the desk that I have in my office is from IKEA, and it's the Alex desk. Even though it does have its cons, for the most part, it's a pretty good desk to have. It not only has drawers, it is very simple to put together, and it's just very sleek and minimal. It doesn't really require a lot of accessories or gadgets, and that's what I kind of like about it. It's just very just simple. But like I said, it has drawers. It comes with 2 drawers, and the drawers are pretty deep. So if you're someone who needs a lot of items near them, these drawers will work perfectly in your space. So other than having the right desk, another way to keep your desk organized is to have drawer organizers. So if you have a desk that has drawers, it's important that you add drawer organizers to keep the stuff that you'll be placing in those drawers organized. So the drawer organizers that I'm using is also from IKEA, and I can't remember the name, but I'll leave it in the description box below. These drawer organizers are perfect for this drawer. It has a lot of compartments or sections, so I'm able to fit a pretty good amount of items in this drawer without really overwhelming it, and it looks really organized. So these are my drawers, and they have organizers in both of them. On this side is where I have all of my markers and pencils, kind of just things that I like to use on a daily basis. And then the other side has my other items like my pens. I have some highlighters in here, some washi tape. I also have my monitor cleaner, my hard drives, my USB drives, which are so important. And then I also have some Ticky Tack. I actually use Ticky Tack to adhere the drawer organizer to the desk, and it literally holds tightly. So whenever I open and close a drawer, the drawer organizer doesn't even move. So yeah, a great addition. So I must have these on hand. These are pretty much items I use on a daily basis, or I use pretty often, and I like to have them near me. It's better to have your items easily accessible so you're not wasting time looking for them or having to kind of, go out of the way to get the item that you need. So drawer organizers is a must. The next tip is to label your drawer organizers. So this is kind of just taking your drawer organizers up a notch, because in order to keep your desk and your drawers organized, it's important that you know where everything goes. And labeling just makes it that much more simple. So I've labeled every or most sections in my drawer organizers, and I know where everything goes without really having to look at it, I guess. I mean, sure, you can see where it goes, but sometimes you're in a rush, and instead of just placing items in random sections, I know exactly where it goes. It just makes life a little bit easier, and that's what I'm always trying to achieve in my home. I use a Dymo label maker to create these labels, and it was literally done in minutes. So, hey, if I can achieve an organizing goal in a few minutes, then it's a win-win in my book. So another way to keep your desk organized is to add organizing products on top of your desk. So in my office, I have I guess you can call it a paper organizer. And what this does is it keeps my papers at bay. So I have one section for all of the paper that I need to file, and I have another section for all of my forms. Just really helps me keep everything organized. So for all the paperwork that need to be filed, I just place it on top here, and whenever I'm ready, usually at the end of the week, I do file them. Just really easy. It creates a place for my paperwork. And then below I have all my forms. So these are my client forms that I pretty much use on a daily basis. I purchased this item from the Container Store, and it just works perfectly in my space. It is blue, and it's typically not a color I like to choose, especially for a space in my home, but it kind of goes with my brand colors and I really, really like it. And of course, there's other organizing products that are perfect for the desk. I do have another organizing product that organizes all of my pencils that I like to use whenever I am sketching or planning a project. So yeah, organizing products just help keep the desk organized because it creates a place for everything. And that's the key word of the day, a place for everything. And last but not least, another way to keep your desk organized is to clear it off on a daily or weekly basis. This is so important because we sit at our desk all the time, and one of the reasons why we tend to lose focus is because we have so much stuff on our desk. We have clutter on our desk, we have piles of paperwork on our desk, and we just can't focus because it's distracting. So what you can do is every day before you leave either your workplace or you leave your home office, you should just put everything back in its place. So whether you have pens on your desk, whether you have a lot of paperwork on your desk, whether you have a cup of coffee on your desk, make sure you clear it off at the end of the day or at the end of the week. So when you come back the next day or the following Monday, you come back to a clear and neat space. Every time I come to a clear desk, I feel so much more better. My creative juices start to bubble and I am able to get my stuff done. Let me know in the comment section below let me know in the comment section below what type of desk you have in your home. Let me know. All right, you already know what time it is. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And thank you so very much for watching this video. And as always, I'll see you soon. Bye.